Hello viewers, today I was telling about how to change your Instagram password. For that you need to go to Instagram, click on add account or click on horizontal lines, go to settings and privacy, click on account center and personal details. Here you need to click on password and security. You need to click on change password, click on forgot password. So it was not working. We have another option also. Click on add account, log in into existing account, which account, or clicking on editor by. Get login helping. Click on next. It will send the messages to me. Click on WhatsApp. It will give you verification code. Just confirm it. As keeping a new password 1 2 3 4. I was given a new password. Just saying password is too easy. Ask give me Insta password. Password. Insta password. Submit. Like this, you can change your Instagram password. Thank you.